Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on IC Markets. And for this, first of all, you need to create an account, and then after this we go right here to accounts because we need to create a demo account. So what we're going to do is click here on open new demo account, select right here MetaTrader 5, select here raw spread or standard account, what you want. USD as currency is fine. Select right here the leverage 1 to 30 is fine for me. And then right now you need to decide right here how much money you want to trade with. So 100k is fine for demo trading. And then we click right here on proceed. And now we just created our account right here. So what we're gonna do now is very simple. We go right here to downloads. Then we click right here on web trader. And then right now, if we are using MT5, we click right here on the MT5 web trader. And now what we need to do is select right here demo, continue to MT5. And then right now we go back to accounts. And then we need this as our login. So we go back and fill that in right there. And if you want to see our password, we click here on this I. And then we copy this with Ctrl+C, paste it right here with Ctrl+V. And now we do connect to account. And there we are. So now we are in, and this is how you can demo trade right here on IC Markets. If you want to buy something, it's quite simple. You click right here on new order, and then you can fill in right here what you want to do. Fill in the volume, set a stop loss if you want to, or set a take profit if you want to, and then just click here on buy. And now we just open our position right here on the chart. So this is how you can demo trade on IC Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.